What if we find water on the moon? If we find water on the moon, it would have significant implications for future space exploration. Water is a valuable resource in space, and it can be used for a variety of purposes such as air, water, and propellant. If we can extract water from the moon, it would make it easier and more cost-effective to establish a permanent human presence on the moon and beyond. So finding water on the moon would be a significant discovery with far-reaching implications for space exploration. It would make it easier to establish a permanent human presence on the moon and beyond and could lead to new discoveries about our solar system's history. How can water be used as propellant in space? Water can be used as propellant in space by splitting it into hydrogen and oxygen gases and burning them in a rocket nozzle to generate thrust. According to NASA's Pathfinder Technology Demonstrator 1, a new type of propulsion system that uses water as fuel. The system will carry a pint of liquid water as fuel and split the water into hydrogen and oxygen in space to burn them in a tiny rocket engine for thrust. Water is a valuable resource in space, and it can be used for a variety of purposes such as air, water, and propellant. Traditional high-performance fuels pose risks, including toxicity, flammability, and volatility. The use of such rocket fuels for in-space propulsion systems requires extensive safety measures, which drives up mission cost. To make these propulsion systems feasible for CubeSats, good propulsive performance needs to be balanced by safety. In addition to this, if plentifully available in CIS lunar space, water could be used directly as propellant in solar thermal rockets, STRs, to provide inexpensive transportation. Chandrayaan-3 latest findings. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, has shared the first findings of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. The payload on the Vikram lander has measured the temperature of the moon's soil, which increases as depth increases. The payload has a temperature probe equipped with a controlled penetration mechanism capable of reaching a depth of 10 centimeters beneath the surface. The Chandrayaan-3 mission aims to demonstrate India's soft landing capability on the moon. The lander and rover will communicate with Earth via an orbiter from Chandrayaan-2. The rover, named Pragyan, is equipped with two key features, the alpha particle X-ray spectrometer and a laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy, both of which are capable of determining the chemical elements present in soil and rocks on the lunar surface. Great moment for India. The successful landing of Chandrayaan-3 on the moon has opened up a wave of opportunities for several sectors that could boost India's economic growth. The Indian Space Research Organization's ISRO remarkable feat has opened up a new horizon of opportunities for several startups and companies involved in sectors such as space tech, aerospace, defense, and R&D. India currently contributes around 2 to 3% to the global space economy, and it is expected to contribute around 8 to 10% in the next 8 to 10 years. This will establish India as a cost-effective satellite launcher, and a global opportunity may emerge. Sectors like aerospace and defense will get a boost. Chandrayaan-3's successful landing will serve as an encouraging boost for India's goal to achieve a 9% penetration into the global space economy by 2030. This mission will instill a renewed sense of confidence in India's capabilities on the global space map. The impact on future generations cannot be overstated. Chandrayaan-3's successful landing sends a resounding message to young minds across the globe. The pursuit of science is a journey with infinite possibilities. The image of a spacecraft gently resting on lunar soil ignites imaginations and fuels dreams. Overall, Chandrayaan-3 has not only made the nation proud but also opened up a wave of opportunities for several sectors that could boost India's economic growth, bringing the country closer to its dream of becoming the third largest economy in the world.